Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna talking about how to use Discord. So let's go to browser. If you don't know how to open a Discord account, we have already made a video on this channel. Please check it on Tech Team channel. So go to Discord, click on this, the first link. Then you will find here login or open Discord. Click on this. After clicking on this, it will load for a second and it will redirect you to the your account. This is your Discord account. Okay, so you can see here all of your friends. Here's online, how many friends you have online right now. All of your friends and friends of friends will be shown here. Pending, how many requests you have pending but did not accept it yet, it will be shown here. Blocked, how many people you have blocked, it will be shown here. This is a new account, that's why it's not showing anything. I'm just showing you for the tutorial basis. So add friends. If you want to add any friends, you have to click here and write any name you want to add, the person you want to add, and click on send request. See, your request has sent. Okay, so if you want to make a group chat with your friend, click on this and add a friend. You have to add one friend to start making group, but I don't have any friends. So if you have any friends, start grouping chat. And inbox, this is your inbox. If someone send you message, it will be here. And if someone mentions you, it will be here with @ here's your direct message, and here's Google Greenify your account name, add server. If you want to add any server, click on this, and what kind of server you want to make, friends, study group, artistic, or any kind of what kind of server you want to make, it will be here. Or then join a server, have an invite already. If you have an invitation to join a server, click on this, then this is your invitation link, join server, but there's no invitation, so you cannot join any server right now. Okay, so yeah, another thing you can do is if you want to voice over or stream any game, you can do it from here. I will show you in the next video how to stream a game or how to stream any movies online. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use server, Discord server or Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.